Hello, welcome to another video. So, for those of you who already know me, thanks for coming back. For those of you who don't, my name's Darryl and I'm the owner of Bristol Polisher. So in this video we talk about this Jaguar XK. It's come in and needed a little bit of love. It's come in for our 5-year wax is dead package with the ultra extra above and the calipers painted. The calipers go metallic black to match the paintwork. We've put the XK logo on there as well, which looks pretty smart. The car itself is having a 5-year wax is dead coating, and we're also doing the glass. We're not doing the wheels. Wheels need refurbing, and that's going to be done on a later date. If you've got any questions or anything, please leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Any products or anything we use, I will leave in the description, so you can click on the links and check them out for yourself. Yeah, enjoy the video.